Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts. We are in lesson number 55, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, I think we had come a long way. I hope you guys are getting hands-on and playing around with the terminal, and those of you who already bought a Jetson Nano, I'm sure you guys are going to rock and roll in next couple of weeks. Alright guys, in this lesson I'm going to show you range of an index, all right, in a particular list. For example, you created a list, right? The previous lesson you created a list, then I showed you how to access a list from a particular location of a memory. Now I'm going to show you how to access a particular range. Okay, this is going to be pretty interesting. So basically you can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end. Okay, when you're specifying the range in your code, the return value will be a new list with a specified items. Okay, let me show you with an example. Let us do some coding, guys. Let's log into Jetson Nano now. All right, I am going to share my terminal. All right, here you go. I have already logged into Jetson Nano, and let's open our existing file, which is list nano list.py. okay, let me delete this. Now let me show you some example. All right, let's create an example. Say this list equal to, I'm running short of names, guys. It doesn't just pop up immediately, so let's create some bunch of names. Okay, square bracket. Now let's say Hulk bracket close open. Okay, now separated comma, and then double quote. Let's say Iron Man double quote close. Let's create another one. Who are the famous characters in Marvel, guys? I remember only these. All right, let's say Thanos. Oh, I forgot something. Can you see? These are silly mistakes. Double quote Thanos separated comma. Let's say oh my god, again I'm doing the same mistake. Double quote Captain America double quote comma, and let's say another one, Strange, Doctor Strange. Anyway, Strange is fine. Okay, now I am going to close the entire list. All right, now in the previous lesson I showed you how to access the list, right, from a specific memory. Now I am going to show you how to access a specific range. Let's see, print round bracket this list, and then square bracket, you have to give a range. How do you give a range? Let's say 2:5. No, let's give 2:4. Our list is small, right? Okay, now I got to close this entire thing. All right, so guys, I hope you are getting this. Now let me Control O, enter, Control X. Let me access the Python file, Python 3 list.py. Thanos and Captain America. Can you see that? Thanos and Captain America, these are the two from that particular range. 2:4, the 2:4. Within the square bracket, you are creating that object and you are accessing that particular range, right? So this is a classic example, guys. I hope you liked it. Let me just, maybe I can show you another example. Say nano list.py. let me delete. Guys, it's always better to create your own program from the scratch. Okay, do not copy, paste and stuff like that. I really don't like it. Best thing is to type your own code. So this list equal to, say, square bracket. I'm going to create Iron Man double quote close, separator comma, and then again double quote open. Let's give another name, Hulk with a double quote, and then man, let's give some random names, Tom. Okay, and then another name, say Jerry. Okay, double quote close, and then let's give, say, how many we have? 1 2 3 4. We have 4. Let's give another one, Cap, say Captain America Cap. All right, and then let's give another one, Strange as Doctor Strange from the famous Marvel's Avengers. Let me close this with a square bracket. Now let's print. Okay, print this list, round bracket. You are declaring that this list, and then you are asking for a range. Now in the previous example I showed you 2:3, 2:4, whatever. Now what we are going to do is square bracket, say only is to 1 2 3 4. How many we have? All right, is to 4. Let's say 4 colon 4. Let me close this and let's run this. So what's going to happen? Let's see. Is to 4. Control O, enter, Control X. Let's access our Python file. Python3 list.py. Iron Man, Hulk, Tom and Jerry. So you are accessing from that particular range where you had given colon 4, right? You didn't declare anything before that. All right guys, I think you are getting hands-on into Python coding on Jetson Nano. I hope you guys are liking these tutorials. For some of you or many of you who already have good experience in programming languages, and if you are watching my series, I know it's going to get boring, but you know, never mind. There's nothing wrong in going back to basics and unlearn certain things and learn new things, right? There's nothing wrong. Though the logics, the syntax, most of the stuff remains same, but some of the syntax might change from one language to another language, right? The one which I'm teaching are specific only for Python, right? And especially on Linux terminal. Alright guys, I hope you are enjoying and I'm going to see you soon. Do give a comment and like. Bye bye.